Hi everybody, it's me, Mr. Tallwell here, and I'm sitting in my summer office here. I'm sitting on my back porch, and I just want to talk to you for a minute about the upcoming marching season. I just want you to know that early week's coming up, starting August 6th. And for you guys who are returning band people, you pretty much know how everything goes. There's nothing really has changed. It's just kind of business as usual. You know, we've got a tradition of excellence, and the reason it is because the way we do things and have done things, and I think you're fully aware of how things work, and so I don't need to talk too much about it, but I just need to tell you that all the information for next season is on the band website, and some of it's public information. Other information is private, and you'll have to use your login to log in and find that information. If you have a problem logging in, call or text Corey, and he will be glad to help you get online and get to the information that you need. The halftime music will be there, and you can download your parts. Also, there'll be a sound file there so that you can go in and play along with it if you so desire. And so when that stuff is posted, go on and get to it. Check out the schedule real close. It's not a lot different than years past, but you'll just need to know all that information so that you can give it to the people that need to know. Check out the performance schedule. It's online also, and that way you'll know when you need to be available for performances also. You guys who are new coming into our program, you get on there and you check it out pretty deep, and you discover what's there, and you learn about the ways and means of our program, okay? If you want to be on command staff, upperclassmen, go online. There'll be a survey there or an application that you can fill out online and submit it to me, and we'll do our command staff, and then we'll post it online, so you'll know if you're going to be a part of that. And until then, until the schedule says you're supposed to be a certain place, keep doing what you do. Have a great rest of the summer, and I'm going to also. You can see this is one of my greatest joys during the summertime is sitting out on the back porch and having a fire at the fireplace at night. But well, that all got banned with this drought that we're having, so I'm stirring around in a pile of empty ashes here. So anyway, have a good rest of the summer, and I'll see you down the road.